вот комфортная температура воздуха, как сегодня, 30 апреля 2024 года. И на Эсто-Хребте есть туман. Вот в такое время намного комфортнее, как сегодня, 30 апреля 2024 года. Вот здесь вот на старте сегодня немного есть туман, который с дома был виден. Так что такое 30 апреля 2024 года мы с Ахиллом на Эсто-Хребте, пора катить.
Xbox, it is what it is, man. Like I said, y'all know me. I be on the scene, on the lean, in the Benz of the Bentley when I come through your strip. Every trip, every flip, I get the grip. I can go to the dealership and buy me a new whip. Take flicks, new kicks, C6, new tricks. I pick the suck on my dick. G-Unit is a click, and the style we can't flip. That's why you feel pretty shy. Niggas hate from afar, but they don't come around, cause they know how a nigga get down. Plus a nigga move around with a long tray pound. I won't hesitate to let off 6 round. When your ass get hit, man, you in deep shit. Fucking with me, that's what you get. Now your lip keep it zip, for you get your baby mama caught up in this bullshit. Going against me's a no-no, niggas know I'm loco, but I try to stay on the low though. Gangsta for sure, every time a nigga flow, a nigga bank account going down low though. Niggas must be crazy, man. Any style, man, anything, man. I do this, man. This is real, man. I can't even help it, man. You know what the fuck it is, man. Y'all niggas made me like this anyway, man. You know what I mean? So really, it's like your fault. You starving right now, you know what I'm saying? Because if it would've been easy for me, I would've made it easy for you. You know what I mean? So now you gotta do it the hard way, you know what I mean?
Так что такое 30 апреля 24 года.